mobile filmmaker. So I have my Kase Lens set here and my iPhone 11 Pro. So today I will be teaching you where and when you can use all those 4 lens kit on your Kase Lens kit. So here I have my iPhone 11 on a octopus tripod here, and then this is my lenses. Oh, it's kinda messy. So ang gagamitin natin is the standard 4 lens kit, the 7.5 fisheye, the 16mm wide angle, the 25mm macro, and the 65mm telephoto lens. So let's do it. Okay, so this is the 7.5mm fisheye lens. I'm going to mount it on my iPhone 11 Pro. So for me, this is perfect for sports or vlogging. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay mag-video ako using my camera phone. Yan. Hi, welcome to my vlog. So ito yung aking, this is the preview of the iPhone 11 Pro with the fisheye 7.5mm lens. Fisheye. Okay, so ngayon gagamitin ko naman siya sa sport. So still I'm using the 7.5 fisheye low angle para masaya. Hit record. Tatalunan ko lang yung fisheye. Ilalapag ko siya ng flat. Gusto ko lang. Next is the 16mm wide angle version 2. Nagsara mag-isa. Nakabit ko siya sa aking iPhone 11 Pro. And again, mainly used for me ng 16mm wide angle is also for vlogging or for gimbal shots. Pero since wala tayong gimbal shots, we'll just use this octopus tripod. We'll form it like a beast grip. So I'm using the octopus tripod to form it like a beast grip, and I'm using the wide angle lens. So mag-orbit ako sa aking videographer. Ayan, so mas less yung inig kasi the field of view is mas wider as compared to the telephoto lens. Konting inig mo lang sa footage mo, pansin mo na agad kasi masyadong tight yung footage. So now, ito naman ay 16mm wide angle, but I'm using it as a vlog setup camera. So now, I can talk to my cellphone ng wide angle without zero distortion and no vignetting at all. Pero mas better siya tingnan kasi mukha siyang mirrorless kasi super wide and very perfect siya for vlogging. So yan, as you can see, kita yung aking cameraman wide, and hawak ko lang yung aking cellphone. Wala akong gamit na tag doon, the monopod, just to extend the arm kasi it's wide enough already to fit my face na hindi siya masyadong masikip tignan as compared to the vlogging setup na without the lens na masyadong close up yung mukha, diba? Masyadong close up, kita yung burog natin sa mukha. So ngayon, medyo wide tignan. So ngayon mas mukha siyang vlogging setup kasi naging wide angle yung ating perspective. Okay, so the third lens that we are going to explore and test is the 25mm macro lens. So I already mounted it on my iPhone. So this is perfect for capturing plants or small flowers. So hanap tayo ng plants. Okay. Okay, so this macro lens is perfect for shooting small objects like ants, insects. Gaya nitong binipicturean ko ay flowers, small flowers. So this is the plants. Ayan, we can control the reflection by rotating the CPL. Ayan. For the water, it looks nice. Or we can take a close-up video of our eyes. So I'm taking a video of his eyes. Awesome, diba? So basically the 25mm macro is for close-up shots, anything you want to magnify. So let's take a look at our fourth lens. So the last and fourth lens doon sa ating 4 lens kit, this is the 65mm telephoto lens. And one of my favorite, para kang naka 50mm lens sa DSLR. So this lens basically is perfect for B-rolls or portrait photography. So that's the use of the 65mm telephoto lens. So I'm going to take a video of my videographers here also. So para makita mo yung details. So magbibidyohan kami, pareho kami naka-tight. Yan. So I'm taking a video of the details of the B-roll I'm taking a various shots of this car also. So yun lang muna yung kaya kong i-share for today. So we'll see you again on the next mobile filmmaking videos. Bye bye!